Good morning, everyone. Today I will describe you one of our products that is present in our catalog since a really long time. I am sure that you already had to install the strip not only in a classic way by doing the curves, but also you had the necessity to fold the strip on a flat surface. This product called WAVY lets you to create the curves on a mentioned flat surface. It is really easy. All we need to do is to fold the strip in the point, let's say, hump, and this lets you to do the flexion of 90 degrees or other preferred angle. So, in this way, in a few seconds, without cutting and rewelding the strip, you have the desired effect. This wavy strip has the protection of IP65, is coated with nanoparticles, and for this reason you can use it also in places with the presence of water or humidity. I want to underline that in case you decide to cut and re-weld the strip, in the point of the cutting we recommend you to use the spray like H2O. By this practice you prevent of creating the bridges in the cutting point and restore the original condition of the strip. Thank you and see you next time.